we honestly feel that Elon Musk might be something of a modern-day magician. One moment, he astonishes the entire world with groundbreaking announcements, and the next, people find themselves caught in a storm of confusion or unmet expectations. Over the years, the Tesla CEO has amazed the public by making impressive leaps forward in short time spans, especially through Tesla Optimus. Sleek demo clips have poured in, winning praise from all corners of the tech community for the extraordinary engineering behind the robot. With bold declarations, such as a target price of $20,000 and a potential customer rollout by the year 2026, it's no surprise that the global tech world has fixed its eyes on this project. Nearly everyone has started dreaming about owning their very own home assistant robot. But now, in a twist that no one expected, confirmed reports have emerged showing that progress is stalling for the Tesla bot. That's right, Tesla is hitting the pause button on Optimus production, and the reasons are more nuanced than people initially thought. But don't jump to conclusions. This does not mean the bot is being abandoned. Absolutely not. Let us break down exactly why Tesla has temporarily put Optimus on hold. Hey, before we go deeper, let's make a little deal. If you've made it this far into the video, you're clearly more curious and tuned in than most. We're a young channel named Amp Drive, and right now, we've got fewer than 1,000 subscribers. So how about we hit that subscribe button like you're giving a high five to the future. Help us break out of this tiny corner of the internet. One click, and you're officially smarter than your neighbor. Sounds fair? Let's roll! Now, when these production pause reports first surfaced, most of the chatter revolved around whether Tesla was now facing the same challenges as countless other robotics companies able to develop a few prototypes, but struggling when it came to scaling up. Critics were quick to shout that Elon Musk might just be the world's loudest hype man, turning Tesla into a brand that's more known for broken timelines than actual hardware. The reality is much more measured. Optimus isn't canceled, it's just on pause. According to trustworthy sources, Tesla will halt production for a minimum of 2 months. The biggest reason behind this decision is that the current design of Optimus requires updates and hardware upgrades in preparation for the final version, Optimus Generation 3. Elon Musk previously hinted at this on X, saying, "So many improvements to come in the next design of Optimus and Optimus Viv 3 going to be wow." Yes! Reports from China confirmed that Tesla stopped ordering robot components about 2 weeks ago. 2 of Tesla's suppliers based in China have made it clear that while the orders haven't been completely canceled, they are indeed on pause. Once the redesign is finalized, Tesla plans to restart purchasing activities. This redesign phase is expected to last approximately 2 months. By the end of May, Tesla had already secured enough parts to build 1,200 Optimus units and had successfully assembled nearly 1,000 of them. That said, Elon Musk had previously committed during a company-wide meeting to build around 5,000 bots this year. But now, with component orders frozen, even Tesla insiders believe that goal may no longer be realistic. Elon mentioned, "So this year, we hopefully will be able to make about, 5,000 Optimus robots. We're technically, we're aiming for enough parts to make 10,000, maybe 12,000. But since it's a totally new product with totally new, like everything is totally new, I'll say like we're succeeding if we get to half of the 10th. The pause reportedly began around early June, when Milan Kovac, the head of the Optimus program, stepped down due to personal matters. Following this, Tesla's vice president of artificial intelligence software, Ashok Elaswamy, assumed control over the Optimus project. One of his first moves was to prioritize improving the robot's design before accelerating production. The revamped design is said to be more distinctive and significantly more suited for mass production compared to the current version. That said, even Optimus Generation 2 already outperforms most humanoid robots currently available across the globe. But the need for this redesign isn't limited to production efficiency alone. Based on Tesla's internal communications with its suppliers, several hardware issues remain unresolved. These include overheating joint motors, limited payload capacity in the dexterous hands, a short lifespan for transmission components, and less than ideal battery performance. Tesla continues to test different models from multiple hand component suppliers. As of now, at least 3 separate technological pathways are under evaluation. One Tesla insider stated that for the time being, Optimus is being used primarily to move battery packs inside Tesla's battery manufacturing plants. Even so, its operational efficiency is reportedly less than half that of a human employee. More complex tasks, such as vehicle assembly, have not yet been assigned to Optimus. Clearly, the robot needs more polishing before it can move beyond factory experiments to becoming an integral part of homes. Elon Musk's grand promises, such as having a robot buddy that will take care of your house, mow your lawn, babysit your kids, and teach them their homework, have fueled massive public interest. But there's still a lot of ground to cover before those dreams become everyday reality. In one of his recent public addresses, Elon said, "You could imagine like your own personal robot buddy. That is a great friend, but also takes care of, your house. Will clean your house?" One of the most anticipated additions is the integration of Grok Voice, IA proprietary voice control system confirmed by Elon Musk himself. Unlike most humanoid robots, which either lack voice features or only offer very basic speech capabilities, Grok Voice is a game changer. Rather than relying on a limited set of pre-programmed phrases, Grok is powered by advanced artificial intelligence developed by XAI. It enables Optimus to understand conversations in context and reply in a way that feels natural and human-like. For people who aren't tech-savvy-like children or the elderly, this transforms the robot into a far more helpful and accessible assistant. Imagine saying, "Optimus, help me figure out the washing machine," and having the robot guide you step by step in plain language. This is what Grok brings to the table. But it doesn't stop there. The voice system is designed to function flawlessly, even in noisy or multilingual settings. Optimus can isolate voice commands in environments filled with music, industrial noise, or multiple speakers. During the Y-Robot event last October, 50 Optimus units demonstrated this capability in a loud, crowded space. Despite the chaos, they responded precisely and left spectators amazed. Reports from China also show that over the past 3 years, Tesla has partnered with hundreds of companies to create an extensive humanoid robot supply chain. By the end of last year, Tesla's Optimus research and development team had expanded to over 400 members. With an estimated cost of around $60,000 per robot, Tesla's spending on Optimus components this year is expected to cross $300 million. That level of investment proves Elon Musk is not walking away from this project. One more exciting development in Generation 3 is the new hand module. It now features 22 degrees of freedom, double the 11 found in the previous version. But this is not just about numbers. Tesla has completely reimagined the robotic hand as a precise tool, able to handle human-level tasks in both homes and factories. Gone are the exposed wires and visible motors. The design is sleek, compact, and highly durable. These hands are not just for show. They are engineered to handle real-world stress water, dust, impacts without the risk of failure. The arm of Optimus is now a true working tool, not a science experiment. And yes, the 22 degree of freedom hand and arm module is already in production. Optimus is learning new things, like walking and even catching objects. Elon Musk has pointed out that nearly half of the robot's engineering complexity lies in the hand alone. Optimus has already shown the ability to perform household tasks like folding clothes, ironing, and pulling curtains using the earlier 11-degree hands. With Generation 3, the level of control will be twice as refined. Tesla's engineers have moved the actuators to the forearm, enabling real-time force feedback and improved coordination between hand and vision systems. This brings Optimus closer than ever to functioning like a human. The walking capabilities have also improved over time. While early versions were slow and clumsy, Optimus now moves more stably, with better posture and less swaying. Even though it walks at only about 2.2 miles per hour slower than competitors like Atlas Tesla, is prioritizing stability, energy efficiency, and safety over raw speed. Optimus's bent knee stance, once mocked, is actually a clever trick to lower the center of gravity and improve balance on uneven ground. Tesla also uses step prediction algorithms in its latest software update, allowing the robot to guess its next foot placement using real-time sensor data. This mimics how humans naturally walk without looking at their feet. And then there's the crown jewel of Optimus Generation 3, the AI Real Brain. This neural network brain, powered by Tesla's latest AI-5 hardware, transforms Optimus from a programmable tool into an intelligent, autonomous system. It works similarly to the full self-driving system in Tesla vehicles, enabling the robot to make split-second decisions, adapt on the fly, and learn new tasks quickly. Optimus can now process massive amounts of sensory data in real time, allowing it to understand its surroundings and make complex decisions. It can learn up to 100 new tasks each day by watching human videos from daily chores to industrial procedures. These learned skills are instantly shared across the entire Optimus fleet through Tesla's cloud, accelerating global progress. Even without perfect vision, Optimus can navigate through unfamiliar spaces, identify objects, and maintain balance, all thanks to cloud-based visual databases and intelligent processing that consumes between 700 to 800 watts of power. This enables tasks requiring both hands while maintaining situational awareness. Tesla might even unveil the Generation 3 Optimus at this year's shareholder meeting, according to one supply chain insider. Sure, pausing production may have rattled some fans and investors, but let's face it, this is not failure. It's just a necessary phase before launching something truly transformative. With upgrades like Grok Voice, human-like hands, a real brain, and a design ready for the factory floor, the future of Tesla Optimus is still looking incredibly bright. So if you're wondering whether Tesla is just another robotics company with flashy demos and no real follow-through, think again. This pause isn't the end. It's a reboot! And when Optimus returns, it could very well reshape how humans interact with machines. And before we part ways, if you haven't subscribed to Amp Drive yet, now's the perfect time. We're working hard to bring you the deepest insights into the tech revolution early, raw, and real. Thanks for riding with us. We'll see you in the next one.